हे गाइस वेलकम बैक। तो फ्रेंड देखिए आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे हाउ वी कैन ऐड ए डेटाबेस वायरस इनटू व्हाट्सएप अकाउंट। तो गाइस लेट्स वी स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should take a backup of any Android WhatsApp. Here you can see there is no groups. Let's we go to setting and here we click a universal option and here we click on backup and restore. Here you backup your WhatsApp. After backup you go to that archiver application and pick up a database link, database virus file zip. I will provide you in my groups. I will paste my WhatsApp group links database in description. You can join my group and there I will every time I share. And here you can see after go to back and open this application that archiver and here you can see this is already I have opened and click on three dot. After multiple click on double tick and here you can two times select here and here you can see this have been copied. Now go to back and open your Android folder media and here you search your WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is sh, so I search it sh. Here you can see help boy sh, not here 80 green. So guys this is my WhatsApp sh. Here you can see I then click here you backup and first folder open it, this one 11 atoms, open it. Here you can see this is a database and click here and click only one time here is down arrow and here you can see apply all and replace it. All virus will be added and I open my data, then I will show because this virus is update version. Here you can see restore back this WhatsApp and this is virus is heavy, too much heavy, lots of Slayer and picture virus, location virus, contact virus, atom virus, documents virus, all types of virus available in this database. And I hope you never disappointed to watch my video. Hit like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel for watching more interesting video related about WhatsApp database and fake numbers. So guys we have taken backup and restore, go to back and here you can see this virus have been added. Let's go to back and click here the folder option. Here you can see all virus has been added. I open it. I open this one and here you can see this is a documents virus and here you can see this is a status virus. If you put this one picture on your status, all numbers will be crashed. Which one views your status, they will be crashed. Here you can see this is downloading. After go to back, here you click this one. Here you can see this is a photo virus. When you send this photo, the victim WhatsApp will be crashed. This is a notification virus. Here you can see notice and this is audio song virus. If you send this song to anyone, his WhatsApp will be crashed. And this one is a location virus. Here you can see. In the last point I will show you the photo virus. Let's go back and this is a catalog. Here you can see this is a heavy picture and downloaded. This is a Slayer also, Slayer 0.7 also available in this database. Here you can see this one. And guys thank you so much for watching my video. Here you can see all virus has been downloading. Thank you so much once again. I catch you in my next video.